Dreaming of IITs or a top PSU job? Your gate to success begins right here. Introducing the GATE 2026 Computer Science and Information Technology Guide, your partner to crack one of India's toughest exams. From general aptitude and engineering mathematics to a deep dive into the technical CS section, we got it all covered. Every topic is followed by practice exercises designed to build clarity and confidence. Strengthen your grip on tricky concepts with hand-picked multiple select questions. Get the real exam experience before the actual day. Track your progress and fine tune your strategy. Stay one step ahead with detailed solutions of real gate papers. This isn't just a guide, it's a roadmap to your dream career. With structured content, clear explanations, and rigorous practice, you'll be more than just prepared. You'll be gate ready. Make GATE 26 your success story. Grab your copy of the GATE 2026 Computer Science and IT Guide today.